No, that's fine. How is that? How are they not compatible? Discards qualifiers in nested pointer types. No passing argument to parameter source slice here. How are they not compatible? Whatever, just go. Okay. It didn't look like it worked. I mean, does it look right? Yeah, it looks right. Which I don't think would be... I don't think that'd be the case if we didn't convert it, right? Because it would think it's the wrong format, right? It would try to do YUV 444p, but would instead have... Yeah, it should segfault. I'm kind of confused why it thinks that's true. Did I not record anything? No, October 2nd, that looks right. So if I didn't scale it, let's go back to send video frame. We'll get rid of this. So let's do that. Let's just copy into the frame data. Now that should fail, right? Oh, hang on. It didn't compile. Expected 10, have 9. Fuck. Source height format. Oh, width height format. Width height format. Oh, flags. I'm missing flags. Oh, yeah, bilinear, sure. Whoops. Is it after the format? I think so. SWS bilinear. Something like that. Been a while since I looked at this. Sure. I don't know if that's right. Okay. Yeah, so the preview's fine. That's expected. Now the question comes. All right. Okay. Oh no, wait, hang on. Yeah. Okay, this is promising. Okay. Uh-huh. So it clearly didn't do it. I wonder if this is literally doing a rescale and not converting like I want it to. Because the thing is, they claim here that this converts the destination format. They just cast it. So source data width, source line size. Is that a pointer? Yeah, basically. 0 source height, 0 source height. They do source height? Oh, they do. That's actually really annoying. Cool. That's useless. At least it tried to do something. That's nice. I'm presuming this is empty. Yeah. Oh, it actually has an audio stream. Right, because it's got null bytes in it. Yeah. I should compress my audio. Error number 1080. Oh yeah, that's a good one. So we go source Y, the position in the source image, the height of the source slice. It doesn't crash, which is interesting. Do test. Source format, is that part of the test? Yeah. Oh, it's destination first. No, it's source first. Get context, width, height, and then it goes source. These look like dest and then source. And this is for get context. But these are sourced and dest. The plot thickens. No, they don't even check errors. That's pretty good. Okay, ref stride, right. Okay. Yeah, that doesn't look right to me. Let's just go here. So shouldn't it, like if it's inval, it should know what that is, right? Yeah, these shouldn't be set. I don't think that should be set. This is an inval. No mem, I highly doubt it. Wait, should I be using this instead? Is this internal? What is this? This has an underscore and slightly different parameters. Should I be using something else? I think I'm meant to be using this one. Okay, can we get some returns? I actually don't know what's going to happen if I do this. We'll find out. What? Oh. Maybe? Okay. Alright, now we're getting somewhere. Alright. So dest y minus last dest y. And what? That should be 0? Where are we? Where have we come from? Where we go? God, no, Joe. So this isn't an else.